More than a week after the resident doctors called off their strike, things on ground have started changing. Various changes, including the security at the MCGM hospitals, are visible.
It has been provided to all civic medical colleges in the city following raging concerns on the security of resident doctors. Several changes have also been made on different layers to allow doctors to work smoothly without any sense of fear.
Some changes are made in the hospitals. Now, first change is that the police, they are there for the security, and another thing is the alarm system is also there, so that we can call where the thing has happened. Secondly, we are only allowing only one relative with the patient, and in visiting hours others should come. So by making all these things, I think the number of the visitors are reduced. So Girish Ji Mahajan sir, minister, who is the minister of the education, he has made all the changes, and whatever he promised, he has provided to the hospitals.
JJ Hospital, KM Hospital, Sion Hospital, among hospitals introduced new guidelines for the entry of relatives of patients in different areas of the hospitals. I am in the JJ Hospital, and you can see behind me the security arrangements here have been made by the government after following the strikes and following the protest of the doctors after repeated cases of violence and assault on doctors in different pockets of Maharashtra. The pass system has been implemented in some hospitals, in most of the hospitals, and these passes are transferable. So suppose if a patient is accompanying by 3 or 4 persons, then only 2 persons would be allowed at the same time in the premise, and you can see the security persons are consistently and repeatedly checking the validity of the pass, and also the ID card, which is basically necessary at this point in time to enter in the premise. So this is basically the security arrangements that have been made after the announcement of Girish Mahajan. The steps taken by the state government has indeed given a major relief to the resident doctors. We have some resident doctors here. Let's know from them that what are the changes and the improvements that they feel basically at the ground level. Can you tell me that what are the changes that you observe right now after the announcement and the arrangements by the government?
I'm a second year resident here. The changes we've seen in the last few days have been significant. As you can see out there, the security guards have been increased. The number of gates which were there have been closed. Only one gate is open. And out there are 3 security guards who are letting only a limited number of patients in. Therefore, the number of patients accompanying a patient has reduced, and hence the load has significantly improved.
Are you satisfied with the arrangements that have been made by the authority and also by the government?
Comparatively, the disturbance from the crowd that has been before has reduced, so you can do the work more comfortably as before.
Before this security increase and before our strike, there were double pressure as a female resident, considering the thing is that we have to think about our safety also. Now there is, as our personal concern is there, we are feeling safe and can concentrate more on work and for the patients also.
The steps taken by the Maharashtra government to secure safety and security of resident doctors has not only made comfortable atmosphere in the hospital, but also at the same time has provided cleanliness and also sorted out the issue of sanitation in all the hospitals in Mumbai and also other pockets of Maharashtra. From Mumbai with cameraman Suresh Kale, this is Yogesh Kumar Seetal reporting for DD News.